Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku, in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, July the 12th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. Three puzzles remain: the binary, the tectonic, and this one you are interested, the four stars Sudoku number 6743. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Yeah, 24. Four star Sudoku. It's always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle. Sometimes you have a puzzle. With a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. So it could be 25, 26, 30 printed digits. Could be if you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time. But it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this video 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos. We have here 2 threes. We have here 2 fours. We have here 3 fives. 3 sixes. 2 sevens. 3 eights. And 2 nines. So it's divided. It's divided. All right. Interesting. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the one in this column? The one in the middle column, so the column next. So, need 2 places left for the one should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row. No one there. 1 should be there. All right. Okay. 1 1 6 6 8 8 6 6 6 6. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in the middle column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. And we have a pair, the 1 and a 9 in the first row, the 1 and a 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 missing numbers now in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here or there. Here or there in the third row. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5. There's the only place left for the 5. Should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. And look, we have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3, 3. 7, 7. Need a 7 there. Let me see. 7. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this column, middle column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And look, we have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2, alright, the 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Interesting. Cannot continue with the 2 now. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 6, 6. We have a pair. 2 and a 6 in this row. 2 and a 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Alright. 9, 9. I'm thinking. 8, 4. And the 6, 8, 4, and 6. Well. Yeah. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Which number 1, number 5. Okay. 7. Then. Need 8 here. Need 8 there. So these 3 could be 8. Thinking. 3. No. 9. 6. Alright. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 to 4. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, and a 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 7 more. That box should be 7. And this box should be 6. Alright. 2 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, only place left for 8 should be there. 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 8. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column. 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for the ones, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. Well, I think the 3 should be here. Yeah, 3 and a 9. Let me put here the 3 and a 9. Because we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 place level, the 3 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 3, there we have a 3. That means in this column, we need a 3 here. In this column, because we have a 3 here, 3 there, yeah. The 3 and a 9, the 3 should be here then, here. Okay, 3 and a 9. Think. 9, 3, 7, 2, 5, 4. Need a 4 here. 4 should be one of these 3 boxes. Okay. Come on. 8 should be here. Think. 1. 1. No 1 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 3. Need a 4 here. 3, 4. Need a 6. 6 here. We have 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And we have a pair, the 3 and the 6 in this row, the 3 and the 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 7 and 4, we have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, 1 and a 3. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about this box in this row? 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4 cannot fill this yet. Wow. What's happening? Alright, 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4, it goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, the 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, yeah. Let me give this 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. Man, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.